Hello everybody, my name is Alan Loy. In relation to the third subject of the confluence, technically it will be consumption of the piranha. The piranha in this planet is the ABFG15 in relation to Sir Funk. Sir Funk is an equilibrium to share the network of one by the oil. Any machine based upon the confunction of the pyramid, it will cycle through the path. The path is ABFG15 based upon Sir Funk. The equilibrium to share the network of one is oil based upon the confunction. The confunction of the pyramid will be realigning itself. This Pachkan is the border of the Tashkama. The Tashkama is Teshkanan of law based upon the element of law by the border. Any border in the confunction of the pyrosil will work out the ABFG15. In this star, it is a confunction of the Manana. The manana is the border of the dimension based upon the consequences. Any consequences based upon the confunction of the piranha, it will re-whip itself into the door to heaven. The door to heaven is based upon the confluence of technology. Any technology based upon the influence, it work out the door of 1143. This is the 11% of the G time for the MAC address. Any MAC address based upon the confluence, technically, it will work out the oil. The oil is P3F515. In this way, the confluence of technology will rewind itself into the ball of one. This is the evolution of time by the border confunction.